Live. Hi, sorry we're running a little bit late today. Some technical difficulties in finding Amy, actually. So
We found her.
I'm here. Here I am. So we have a handful of listings to go over with you guys today that are coming up. We have a ton coming out next week as well. We have a really fun featured listing that we're going to talk about too. But everything's going to be in the link above. Also, if you know of anybody who would like any of these houses we're talking about, tag them in here. Or if you're looking for something that we haven't presented yet, give us the details. We'll see if we can make a connection for you.
We'd like to give a little shout out to one of our One Roof partners, Josh Mesner with Providence Financial. He has joined us here along with in-house lending, title services, and property management. So there's more to come with that as well.
Yes, links to all his fabulous services are there too. We, one of our big pillars, we have 4 big pillars that we work underneath, but one is our community outreach, and just a shout out to our CASA partners. Stacy Teason and I, their executive director, work together at Children's Inn in college, and I have a big heart for abused and neglected children, and that's what CASA helps. They're advocates who help to promote and protect their needs, and Stacy Teason's heart is giant. She gives so much and does so much, and we every one of our closings we give a donation to them. We've linked their information below, so if you're looking for a good cause, it's a fabulous cause. All the information is there. Volunteer, donate, but we've set it all up. So Stacy and everyone at CASA and all the volunteers, thanks for everything you guys do.
Wonderful organization, thank you. And then we'd like to remind you guys, I don't know if it's in the camera frame here, but our coffee bar over here, first responders, welcome to come in anytime and get free coffee and water.
And espresso.
And espresso. Just has a little bit more time to make that, but it's free to first responders. So please take advantage of that. Come in, check out our new facility. This is our reception desk, front desk, if you will. We've got nice, lovely listings over here. So stop in and say hello. We'd love to see you.
And our receptionist is my mama. She's awesome. So come and say hi to her. She's got a smile for you.
Yeah.
And we have exciting news today for us. We are having our Chamber of Commerce ribbon cutting and our open house on our new location. Ribbon cutting is at 4:30. Our open house runs till 6:30. We're going to have first the ribbon cutting, and then we're going to have tours, spirits, some food. We have Micah, one of our friends, who's going to be playing some lovely tunes. Yep. So come on down, take a tour, say hi, and we hope to see you guys here today between 4:30 and 6:30.
We'd love to see you.
So, listings.
Without further ado.
Yes.
First one we're going to talk about is our Canton land that we have. Nearly 2 acres down there with the building eligibility. We got rural water hooked up to this one. We got this one listed at $105, so it's had a price reduction of $5,000. Right on a corner lot. It's just a beautiful setting, guys. So if you're interested in a new build come this spring, this would be a great spot for it.
Now bring your builder, bring your plans.
Sorry, guys.
Get out in the country. Harrisburg, we have a lot of actually really fun listings coming up in Harrisburg. This one is a really lightly lived-in ranch, a really open floor plan, sun-drenched areas in the living room, master has a private bath, a fully fenced-in yard, close to the schools and the park, has a really nice big covered deck. Great house over there on 615 Katy Drive in Harrisburg, so don't miss that one. Link to it is below or above. What again?
Valley View, this one's going to be coming up here in probably the next few weeks, guys. We're just finishing this one up, but this is very open and spacious design. 3 bedrooms on the main here. It's got a beautiful screen and porch on the back, fenced-in yard, just a wonderful west side neighborhood, and we got some good updates in this one here. So come take a peek when we get that one up and going, or give us a call if it's something you're looking for.
Yep. And Brandon, this is a honey. New construction, 5-bedroom, 3-bath ranch walkout. It's on a double cul-de-sac lot, so very, very private. It's just destination-only traffic in there. Great, great space, really open. It has a stellar, like jaw-dropping fireplace right when you walk in the front. Very, very upgraded throughout. Upstairs has the 3 big main floor laundry, big oversized garage, covered deck on this one. Downstairs is going to be 2 more bedrooms. You could only finish 1 if you wanted, but you could put 2 down there, a family room, have a wet bar, fireplace, walkout space. But just like I said, this is a love bug for sure, so take a peek at that. And this weekend, sellers, if you're thinking about getting on the market, give us a call. This weekend went absolutely bananas. Buyers are out, they're looking for inventory. If you're even thinking a tiny bit of getting your house on the market, give us a call. Let us do a no obligation analysis for you and see if we can connect you up with one of our buyers.
Yeah, the holidays are officially over.
They
so
are.
It's ready to go. Shout out to Jody Schwan.
Yes,
she
great
does,
article. Thank you, love.
She does amazing work, and I think she works just as hard or harder than we do. So if you get a chance, if you can't come by and see us at our open house, go check out the article that she wrote. Has some great pictures of our new building, and just a big thanks to Jody.
Yes. All right, Mr.
That's it.
Stockberger.
All right, Mrs. Stockberger, this is what we got.
Over and out.
Bye, guys.